Here we have the black hole cubes, super burly, super handy gear organizers that come in 3 sizes. They're all made with rugged 450 denier 100% polyester ripstop with a TPU film laminate and a DWR finish. The fabric is Blue Sign approved, which means they offer the highest level of consumer safety by employing methods and materials in its manufacture that conserve resources and minimize impacts on people and the environment. Our black hole cubes have a simple zip opening. The exterior daisy chain lets you lash them to the outside of bags. And they all come with a large glove-friendly grab handle. The smallest is perfect as a Dopp Kit or small organizer. It has a single compartment with interior organization and measures 8 by 5.5 by 4 inches. The medium is designed to hold gear inside your pack or clothing inside your duffel. Its main compartment is divided equally with zippered mesh pockets, and it measures 11 by 7 by 5 inches. The large serves as a mini gear closet with the same main compartment organization. It measures 13.5 by 8 by 6 inches. So when life hands you a mixed bag, keep it together inside the black hole cube, the perfect organizer for all your gear.